Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the best trade for salespeople, entrepreneurs, and performers. Today we're gonna learn tips and tricks on how to set goal for 2023. Even though you have a zero experience to starting creating juicy goal is perfectly for you. Tell a juicy bit of how exactly you can grow a very strong goal and the next year. This is a magnetic success. That a lot of people have a question. I don't know exactly what I want to be my goal, and I understand because I have no idea before in what I want and I lost my way of spending my time with that I don't want to be or have. So this will help you save your lifetime. Or second, believe that you need to have to pull over 100 material past success in order to have confirmed you are success. This is not really true. I rely on what I did in the past that we cannot only get what we want but no fulfillment in life and think kind of like I don't know exactly this is what I truly want, and I respect everyone type of goal and totally fine, but I don't promote this type of lifestyle that people aspire to have both achievement and getting anything you want and still not feeling happy in what you get and life you create in the end. So we need to create a goal that you will be fulfilled along the way at the end of success. That is why in this video I'm going to teach you how to make real impact to create your goal as influence with a very joyful along your path. That will help you increase your inspiring and joy but also lift other people up with you now with all of the way and fully explain. Let me give you my first tip, and that is inside you as a life care on your own term. List out what you want in 2023. Why do you need specific in what you want or goal? Such as creating 10 specific goals. Creating goal means is that as a life creator, instead of aiming for 100 goals without specific on purpose, because they are aiming for here finding a true purpose is important as quality over quantity. That I see so many people make is that we aim to have a lot of goals without choice, which is missing choice you can create, because your goal will find your true purpose. Even you are on risk or making a mistake, you can still have fun with it. And because most of people will find a meaning in life but they forget without purpose of goal to take action, there is nothing to enjoy or paying full out with fullest potential. However, goal is a direction of your destination, like a navigator or hack of a game that you would like to pay for winnings. And here is what I did. List out all wishes without limits your idea. If you just start, you can write down starting with 10 to 20 goals. This is first in line because goals love your passion. They love your starting and they love you as a life creator. Don't freak out because I'm saying setting goal without limits belief. I know some of you may not even have one resort to get a goal you would like to put on your list. It is far more better to create real what you want without fear that you are currently in your thoughts that are showing up in know-how for having ways or resort to get it yet. Next step is question with who you want to become. When you write down the goal, you can see your life, how it's gonna look like. And the reason why I'm giving you guys this question along with they're already in the first hit is because we are not just trying to be only achieve what you want, but also who you are becoming with the goal you have, and you will love and proud who you are too much at the end of the day. You create who you are in the future. We are trying to say here is not about just starting with what you can imagine, but it's about creating, being, and doing with a person who you are becoming that real impact in the next upcoming. Here is what I did. After you know what you want and who you like to become, you can find a mentor who you would like to be in specific goal or area you need to achieve. So it will save your time of achieving and becoming who you want to be. Since I'm going to show you exactly how to do that the next time, if you want to learn more about, if you are a salesperson, that I'm going to link it in the comment section below so that you can read up on it. It's called Really Ask Yourself, who am I helping here in creating specific goals in sales masterclass. Next step in this question is who would you like to share your success with? At what stage is important to your relationship with people you love, when you would like to share your success with, or when you find your true encouragement, or when someone would like to find that they are important to your path of success? whatever you are in relationship with people around you. And what really help with it is to understand the point of inner power of relationship to the end of the day. What do you want to position yourself as if the guy that is going to take all courage to support your ways? That important person in your life, where they are at right now, the point of your goal, which is where you want to be, and using that support in what you will give when you have achieved success your goal. And maybe this is someone like you in your points is usually following all powerful gift by what you are planning to give to people. There probably a way I did here that's my benefit. I write down how my success in goal list will affect to who I love when I have achieved its success already. What do they get like materials, or what do they feel, or what I can share them any experience as a price of it. These people are constantly on family, partner, or friend looking for opportunity to build and supporting my choices of life specifically. With next step, what you will feel, and you just know that there is something more to life than sitting in a goal without fulfillment. But you might just need that extra push to figure out what exactly you're passionate about in order to finally have putting what you will feel to what you want and when you achieve it. Because if you can feel the feeling of yourself, you will immerse this feeling from ideas and mind to action toward it. That is what my identity is going through in this point of journey. And this is when people actually find how fun and love are at this stage in their life, what they are looking in, what they want. For me, it's been go to so much joy, and what energy is working if you want to be able to finally create emotion to people you love, and emotion you get to finally actually create design lives with beautiful sense of mind and build a solid achievement. They want to be able to have a better life pattern of what exactly you do when purpose of goal offers. In order for you to feel confident enough to do things on your own, that is the point of success for someone who is typically in seeking a fulfilled lifestyle. Now it's your turn, your emotion to list off purpose specifically. Here is what I did. Emotions are a real stop or going on inconsistency that you can join in all process toward your goal. Persistency, more than what you get, is what you can feel for yourself that will give you so proud as who you truly are on the all activity, and you would like to go all in. So I write down what I feel when I achieve my goal list and what I could make people around me feel of who I am in that moment. After creating specific goal with purpose, this is another step. Set a timeline and put on calendar. Set a pin to your calendar to get what you want, because time cannot stop and it has never wait for you. Let's make an urgency in your time by putting specific timeline on your goal and better in calendar, that you will see how important your goals are for you. The crucial thing that is really important when setting a timeline after building your goal is really connecting the possibility. Can you actually set a time in each goal? Can you open your year calendar? What help you with covering plannings? And someone says, so what are you two specific timeline? Like, what do you say? What does it help? How do it help you? And what result do you get from putting timeline? Can you get a benefit for your goals if you look at your calendar? But I those people with if I specific help, so with bet on for time management. Build magnitude to your goals in order for you to manage what urgency in your life can. And what I do, and that is what I would say at a specific time of life if someone asks me what I do and who I help in my goal. And these values that are the core of your specific in time to your goal. Now, if you have a belly with you, or you would like to have healthy life, is we know how we can say our goal with timeline and specific in feeling for your goal that you rotate around. Whenever you are creating your exercise and whenever you are educating, you're practicing in gym after you got your relationship focused on making the most of the juicy goal that you are already have setting, rather than devoting all of your efforts to dumbing up without feeling purpose. Is it a long-term strategy to achieve all goals you have created in 2020? Let's aim to build yourself royalty and courage, regular basic form your already existing goal. Now then, I make our step together. It's completely changed the way that I operate in goal and achievement, because when you focus on actual devoting all of your energy, love, attention to your happy feeling to goal, do you actually use the potential toward it?
and lots of love treat your goal with purpose really well. Because I promise you that all fulfilling is a things you ask, they won't return that energy back, but growing you another step of joy in life. I really hope that you enjoy the videos. Trust me, you don't need a big motivation. If you look at the beginning stage of the journey that we have together in this video, I'm still a very small practice in creating juicy goal as well. However, I have built a very strong community of people who would like to create self and success in exploring your potentials and believe in your self-love and love people around you. So I really want to share that gift with you so that you don't feel you cannot overcome any obstacle in self and self-development. And just to give you a sneak peek, but I will see you in the next video.